The simple thing, earlier the Rasna child used to have a pony. Today ponies are out of fashion. And today we don't show Rasna children with ponies. Or for example, earlier the Rasna mother always used to wear a sari and a bindi, but today that is not what the brand should stand for. So we are showing today's modern mother as the mother of Rasna. So we are changing the brand personification. We are changing the product as per the needs of the market, and that way we want to be ever alive and ever green.
Over the periods, what unique strengths you have developed?
I think we have three unique strengths. One, I already mentioned marketing strengths. That is why spending less than 10% of the money big salting people are spending. I am saying less than 10%. If others are spending 100 crores, I am spending 10 crores. We are still relevant in brand equity as much as them. And that's why if you do any survey, Rasna is today, after Coke, Pepsi, Rasna comes. And that is because of what I call very focused marketing. So focused marketing, brand building, distribution is our strength. Second strength I believe is the core, the product knowledge, because we ourselves control the product formulations as a family. The fact that I myself am third generation and we are technocrats, I think it helps us to make better products because we have indigenous technologies. We don't import technology from abroad, we don't import raw materials from abroad, and we know what Indian palate and Indian consumer wants. So that is the second strength. And third strength is I think the fact that we are very focused. We are a family company focused on making powder concentrates. We don't do a lot of what I call diversifications and line extensions. In fact, if you ask any big consultant today, any big professor today, he will tell you stick to what you are best at. And we are doing it for many years. We are sticking to making beautiful concentrates. And by the grace of God, today we are making almost 300 crore glasses of concentrate every year for India and international markets. And I think that is our strength, that we are actually reaching out internationally, and Indian products, Indian fruit products today from Indian company growing in 40 countries is a big pride for us, and I'm sure a big pride for every Indian.
What is the agenda before you now?
I always have two agendas in life, and one is what I call a personal agenda and one is a company's agenda. So I will refer to the company's agenda. As I told you, Rasna is a powder concentrate company, and more or less we want to stick to be a powder concentrate company. And we are introducing more powder concentrates, better powder concentrates, more value for money concentrates, concentrates with better energy, better nutrition to meet the ever-growing needs of customers, what I mentioned. More flavors, more pack sizes, more variants. At one end. Two, we are also looking at launching RTDs. But when I say RTDs, not the RTDs which are there in the market, a different range of RTDs, a niche range of RTDs in the market, and that project is also on. And thirdly, in Rasna, we have already launched a separate division by the name Devil's Workshop, which is a retail division where we have not launched beverage products, but we have mainly launched bakery products by the name Devil's Workshop, where we have donuts, we have pastries, we have puffs, we have cakes. In that, we are around today 40 outlets, big and small, in Ahmedabad already, and we are expanding into Bombay, Pune, Jaipur, a lot of other cities with Devil's Workshop range.